Hi, good evening, sir. So today we have our most senior trainer with us. We can say trainer because he himself like to introduce himself as a trainer. But if I say about him, there are lots of things that I can say. So we are here today with Mr. Anoop Kishore Bhatnagar, who is from Delhi, and he has completed his graduation from Delhi. Apart from this, he has multiple, uh, courses he has done, certifications he has done. He has multiple talents. I can say he is IAT certified. He is in aviation industry. He has worked with the, I think, Air India also. So what experience he has, how he came in training and in having the around 30 to 30, 35 years of experience in his training, what he likes, what he would like to suggest and guide to all of us, that we are going to discuss. So here is sir with us. Let's connect with the sir directly. Yes, sir, welcome to my show first of all. And thank you so much that you have joined this program and you have given an opportunity to talk to you. Although I see you since 1 year in a few groups that we are connected with, and your inputs are really very good. And few of the inputs that I saw the people were not agree, but yes, it really gave me the same experience that you were sharing at the time. And I remember August 2024, I had very horrible experience, and that time I said you in group that sir, thank you so much. You were right at the time. So the moment you said that you would like to go for this program, I was very happy. And there are two reasons, sir. One, the most tenured person in experience, 30, 35 years of experience in training is really, there are lots of things, 3 decades, more than 3 decades since like you have seen everything, from the birth of a training to coming in the adult age, I can say, right, sir? And you share the many things in the group also that I always read and I see these are very valid things. So just I would like to start with your sir, journey that like what all things you have done, that you have shared lots of things with me in your profile. And then when I read it, I was completely, it's like I was in a seventh sky while having this kind of experience. But I believe having 30, 35 years of experience, yes, you can do this. The people like you can do this. So could you please start with those your journey, sir, from the basic, that how did you start all these things?
Uh, Good evening, Vinita, and good evening, viewers, everybody. Uh, I'm known by AK-56 in my training fraternity. Why I call myself as AK-56? AK is Anoop Kishore, and I'm born in the year 1956. So
Oh,
I'm known by AK-56. So that's a little bit about my name. How I get into aviation? Because aircraft was a fascination from me right from childhood. I wanted to become a fighter pilot. And that's because of the reason, because my father was working with DGCA, that's the Director General of Civil Aviation. And quite often he used to go to the airport for different kind of inquiries. And whenever he used to go to the airport, I always used to follow him, see of the aircrafts, see the aircraft landing and takeoffs. Till now, I'm so fascinated of landing or takeoff. Even if I have to see the landing and takeoff, I'll stop my car nearby the road and will see it. So I couldn't able to get into the Air Force because of certain technical reasons. But after my graduation, I worked with a few of the companies, private companies. And in 81, I joined Air India in the safety and security department. Worked with them for 32 years. And that was my dream of getting into the aircrafts was fulfilled. And in 2004, I got a chance to uh, taken a part in the aviation security instructors course, which was conducted by IATA Singapore. but conducted by the Indian instructors. And that started my journey as an instructor, the aviation security instructor in 2004. I was training the people, but not certified. I was training the people in aviation before 2004 also, but I was not certified. But in 2004, I got my certification, and from there, my training journey started. I've been to different countries along with the Prime Minister and the President of India.
Okay.
And after my retirement in 2014, I did not give up the training. I added more feathers to my training as a soft skills trainer, and
Okay.
then continued my journey. Even now, I'm working as a freelance aviation instructor and a soft skills trainer. I've recently got a certification as a post trainer also, and
Okay.
waiting for the assignments. But I love training people, and I love meeting them, training them. That's about my journey, how I started my training journey.
Very nice, sir. Very, it's like you have shared a great experience of you. The first of all, having around 4 decades of working experience, and that too from the aviation industry, is a one of the, completely different thing. Aviation industry, I can say airlines, especially in a very clear way, it's a dream for everyone to join, right? Somebody wants to be a pilot, somebody wants to be an engineer, somebody wants to be a flight steward. I was also like one of them as a girl in my teenage. When I was in ninth, I wanted to be an air hostess. Even I got selected in my 12th standard, but I was not allowed at the time by my family because of being too young, and I never went outside, and my family did not used to take that profile as a risky job. It is a risky job for a girl. So, and but yes, after that they said after a few years they said now you can apply. I said I did not have, because I was completely in training and I it became my passion to be like that. So, but yes, aviation industry is one of the another glamorous industry I can say. Very it's like streamlined process for all kind of functions, domains. When you go to airport and the work you do, that every second they are on their toe and there's working for every moment. They are so active for each and every task. This makes you feel that energy they makes you to feel, right, every moment of their work process. So sir, what do you think, what would you like to give people here as an idea, as an input? Aviation industry, if I say, people know that what all roles and responsibilities are there, what profile they can join for. But if I say there, they do not have a in-depth information about this industry, right? Unless they join it or they go for the study or training, right? There are many institutions. I'm not against any institution because I'm also from the training and you are also from the training. But the one thing that I believe that they hire the trainers, they like sorry, not trainers, the participants. They hire the participants. They get them trained and they commit them. They will be either flight steward, they will be a pilot, they will be not, even if they do not become a flight steward or pilot, then they can be a ground staff. And after spending of lakhs of money on the training program, they are not getting the job and they do some other roles, right? They are in some other industry, maybe ITs, BPO, MNC, or manufacturing or sales. So I will not say that if anybody has any dream, they should not try for it, right? If we do not walk, how we will reach on our destination? So joining any institution is not a wrong thing. I definitely say that yes, go join, get trained. Even when I was in ninth and I was dreaming for this, there was no such a institution at the time, as per my knowledge. And but when now there are many institutions that they are giving the training and they are directly associated with the airlines also, and they get recruited there as an intern and all. So what input you would like to give here to the new generation, so they should not get misguided and they should have an idea that how they should decide about joining to the aviation industry, what all are the basic profile domains are there, what are the qualification, how they should decide that they should go or not go, or if they are going over there, what should be the right decision, how they should take the right decision for that. Taking a right decision is very important nowadays, and you are having very good experience, since last 4 decades you are in aviation industry. So I believe that you are the one of the best coach or guide will be here to help the people to know about this. So I will request you to to just say something about this only, sir.
Vinita, I tell you, you rightly said that it's a very glamorous industry.
Yes.
The main reason is the people, the outsider people cannot go inside the airport, and the working people inside at the airport do not tell the facts about the airport.
Yes.
That is the main reason people doesn't get the actual picture of the airport.
Airlines. Yes, right, sir.
First, secondly, if you work at the airport, there are three main agencies there are at the airport. One is the airport operator who builds the airport. Another is the airlines or the aircraft operators, which the airlines comes to the destination, picks up the passenger, goes to another destination. And the third agency is the CISF or the state police, which guards the airport. Now, working with the CISF or the state police, that's a state matter that they have to go undergo a different kind of examinations and everything. But getting into the airport operators, there are huge opportunities with the airport operator and the airlines operator. But Vinita, I tell you one thing, the majority of functions are done by the airlines employees.
Okay.
And you'll be surprised to know that to send the aircraft on time, it requires a coordination of 11 departments to send an aircraft on time.
Wonderful.
It is
Would
not
you like to give
just one person
one
on.
brief idea? Yes, sorry to interrupt you. Would you like to give one brief idea what all these 11 departments are? What all qualifications and
Now,
experience are required so people can know about it?